Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to use your controller with EA or Origin games. So as you can see, some other applications like Steam requires to set up your controller settings in the application or in the Steam, so that allows you to play with controller in the games. But the EA just allows you to play it freely without any setups. So I will show you how to do so. So after you connect your game and just launching it, and as you can see, we have to wait the game to launch. And there is the animation of the launching, and we have to wait until it load itself, because we can't skip the first intro. As you can see now, you can see the cursor of the mouse. So we are playing with just mouse and keyboard, but after we just we connect like the controller, we will find that it will be automatically already set up and everything, in that it is ready to be play with the controller. As you can see, I can just play with the controller, and I can go to the settings with the controller. Those are the controller settings. I can do whatever I want, do the sensitivity or something like that. Now we are just playing with the controller. So that's it. As you can see, you have just to plug in your controller and it will be set up automatically. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.